In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change lot size on TradingView. This is a quick but important skill if you use TradingView's position tools to plan trades and understand risk. The lot size you set inside the tool controls how the position calculator estimates profit, loss, and risk to reward. It doesn't place a real order with your broker, and it won't change anything in your live account. Think of it as your on-chart calculator for shares, contracts, or lots, depending on the market you're analyzing. Start by placing either the long position tool or the short position tool on your chart. Choose long if you're planning a buy scenario, or short if you're planning a sell scenario. Simply click on the chart to drop it near your intended entry. Don't worry about being perfect on the first click. You can always drag the entry, stop loss, and take profit handles to line them up exactly where you want them. As you position it, you'll see colored zones that represent potential risk and potential reward, which makes it easy to visualize the trade idea. Next, double-click the position tool you just placed. This opens the configuration window for that specific position. If you're already comfortable with the tool, you'll recognize this panel. It's where all the important calculator settings live. Double-clicking is the fastest way to bring it up, and it ensures you're editing the exact object you selected on the chart. Inside that configuration window, look for the field that controls size, often labeled quantity, size, or contracts, depending on the symbol you're charting. This is where you change the lot size. Enter the amount that matches how you plan to size the trade. For stocks, that might be the number of shares. For futures, it could be contracts. For Forex, it's often lots or units. As soon as you update this value, check the metrics on the chart and in the panel. Your risk, potential profit, and risk to reward ratio will update instantly to reflect the new size, so you can confirm the numbers make sense for your plan and risk tolerance. And there you go. With the tool placed, the configuration window opened, and the size updated, your lot size is set for that position. That's all. Use this workflow each time you sketch a new idea so your risk calculations stay accurate and your planning remains consistent.